हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू अनुदीप योर स्टडी बडी। आज हम साउंड का पार्ट 4 करने वाले हैं, जो कि साउंड चैप्टर का लास्ट पार्ट रहेगा। इसके पहले के तीनों पार्ट का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, सो यू कैन रेफर इट फ्रॉम देयर। आज के पार्ट में हम टाइप्स ऑफ साउंड, जो कि इंफ्रासाउंड, अल्ट्रासाउंड, एकॉस्टिक साउंड एंड नॉइज पोल्यूशन कवर करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट नाउ। So from our last videos, we know that all vibrating or oscillating bodies produces sound. But sometimes we are not able to listen every kind of sound. And ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि ह्यूमन बीइंग पर्टिकुलर रेंज के फ्रीक्वेंसी के साउंड को ही सुन सकता है। इसलिए ह्यूमन बीइंग जो फ्रीक्वेंसी के साउंड को सुन सकते हैं उसे ऑडिबल साउंड कहते हैं, और जो ह्यूमन बीइंग साउंड नहीं सुन सकते उन्हें इनऑडिबल साउंड कहते हैं। On the basis of frequency, there are three types of sound. First, infrasound. ऐसे साउंड जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 20 हर्ट्ज से कम होती है उसे इंफ्रासाउंड कहते हैं, एंड दिस साउंड इज इनऑडिबल टू ह्यूमन ईयर. द वाइब्रेशंस ऑफ सच फ्रीक्वेंसी कैन बी फेल्ट rather than heard. For example, the waves of an earthquake are infrasound in nature. This kind of sound is produced by elephant, rhinoceros. इसको इस तरीके से याद रख सकते हैं कि बड़े कान वाला एलिफेंट छोटी फ्रीक्वेंसी के साउंड को सुन सकता है. Second, acoustic sound. Frequency of this sound is between 20 to 20,000 hertz. Acoustic sound is audible to human ear. For example, all the sounds we hear around us. Third, ultrasound. ऐसी साउंड वेव्स जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 20,000 हर्ट्ज के अबाव होती है उन्हें अल्ट्रासाउंड कहते हैं. सच वेव्स आर ऑल्सो इनऑडिबल टू ह्यूमन ईयर. एनिमल्स सच एज डॉग, बैट्स, dolphins produce and hear ultrasound. This is the interesting fact here that bats can detect frequency as high as 1,20,000 hertz, and same dolphin can detect frequencies as high as 2 lakh hertz. Ultrasounds are used in the diagnosis of diseases of internal organs. Ultrasounds are used to measure the depth of seabed, to explore the seabed for minerals, mountains, or colonies of fishes. From this diagram, we can clearly understand that infrasound have the frequency below 20 Hz, human hearing sound, that is acoustic sound, having the frequency between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, and ultrasound have the frequency over 20,000 Hz. Next is noise. Now, when we hear sounds like flute playing or bird chirping, we call these sounds music. And when we hear sounds like slamming of door and a mixer running in kitchen, we call this sound noise. So, the sound which are pleasant to hear are called musical sound, and the unpleasant sound around us are called noise. But when we increase the loudness of musical sound, then it also becomes unpleasant to us. From studies, it is found that musical sound has a regular sound wave. It is shown in the figure A, while noise produces irregular sound waves. It is shown into the figure B. So whether it is music or noise, when the sound waves become too loud, they are harmful to us. The presence of excessive and unwanted or disturbing sound that affect the health and well-being of human and other organism is considered to be noise pollution. Or we can say the presence of excessive and unwanted or disturbing sound in the environment is called noise pollution. For example, honking of vehicles, noisy industrial units, etc. Excessive noise in our surrounding adversely affect our physical and mental health. Amount of damage depends on the sound level and the length of time a person is exposed to high sound. Some common sources of noise pollution are traffic or automobiles. Traffic on roads, especially the constant honking of vehicles, this is the largest source of noise pollution in cities. Second, bursting of crackers. Bursting of crackers during festivals and weddings also causes noise pollution. Third, construction. Construction work such as building and road repair work, especially where drills and heavy machineries are used, causes noise pollution. Fourth, noise of Aircraft taking off and landing, especially in areas around the airport, causes noise pollution. Very loud music in public places as well as in our homes also causes noise pollution. Home appliances such as mixers, washing machines, vacuum cleaners, especially if they are running in a small rooms, they also cause noise pollution. Now let's discuss the effects of noise pollution. Although we cannot see noise pollution, but it is one of the most harmful type of pollution. Some harmful effects of pollutions are high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbance, headache, hypertension, and stress. These health problems can affect all age groups. Depression and anxiety are also some of the harmful side effects of noise pollution. Noise affects brain responses and people's ability to focus. Studies have revealed that as children grow, constant exposure to loud sound can cause learning problems. Constant exposure to loud noise can cause hearing impairment as well. Loud noise damages the hair cells of our ear, and mammals cannot make new hair cells, and it becomes a major concern. As we have seen many after effects of noise pollution, so we should take some important steps to control the noise pollution, such as industrial units and airports should be constructed away from the residential areas. Silencing devices must be installed in aircraft engines, transport vehicles, industrial machines, and home appliances. Try to avoid going to areas that are too noisy. If that is not possible, then use earplugs when you are in noisy area because it reduces the overall noise of the surroundings. TV, radio and music system should be listened at low volume. And we must plant trees and plants around us as they help to absorb sound to a great extent. So here we complete our chapter sound. I hope you understand and enjoyed our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.